Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a box, and I have my knife. Boom. Okay, let's get into it. This is one of these things that happens to me. I was, who knows where? I was someplace. I was maybe just Googling something, or I was on a Facebook group or page, or who knows where I come across these things, but I'd never heard of this company before. So I had to check them out, okay? They had regular drill paintings and they had crystals, okay? They had both. Now, I went and looked and I found some things I liked. Okay, let's get into it. Get this packaging off here. It came really quickly too, because they're one of these places that have their things in stock and they will ship it right out to you. Look at contents of your kit. Look at this box. It's a nice box. I've seen this box used before by some other companies, but it's a nice box. I like it. It's pretty. Okay. It protected my painting. That's what it did. So I opted for a crystal painting because, you know, I love crystals. So they had a few images I liked. Always do your research. Make sure it's legally licensed. If it's not, make sure it's a stock image or there's no artist attached to it. You know what I mean? Just do some research, folks. Do some research. All right. Let's see what I got. Like I said, this one's crystals, and it should be beautiful. There's something else in the box. Hang on. What's in here? I think it's just a note, probably. Yep. I think that's my receipt. Probably my receipt. My invoice. Yes. So the company's name is Got2Dot. Okay? Got, the number 2, dot. Got2Dot. And it's a handwritten note. I love it. Hi, Mindy. Thank you so much for your order. Please put a picture of your Got2Dot in Facebook. Cool. Enjoy it. Renee. So Renee must be the owner of this company. There you go. All right. So it's your typical kind of canvas, you know. It's not super stiff, not soft or anything, but it's just a nice canvas. It's serged and scalloped, poured glue. So we're going to roll it backwards, get everything out of the inside. Okay. It's big. It's going to be really colorful though too. Ooh, look at this cute little toolkit. So here's our drills. Nice. Here's our little toolkit. Comes in a little bag. Okay, let's see what we have. Gotta check out a toolkit. New company. Gotta check it out, right? I noticed this already. This is cool. Okay. Get the rest of it out. Come on. Okay, we got a pen. Pen. We have a multi-placer here, and we have a multi-placer here. Look at, cool. We got a 7 and a 4, the thin white ones. I like those. Tray, blue squishy, and look at this. It's a little wax pot with blue wax. That's the second time recently I've gotten blue wax. Love it. Cute. Nice little toolkit. Got some multi-placers in there. Always love it when they include multi-placers. Okay. This has 30 colors. It is a 50 by 50. Are you ready? Oh my goodness. Are you ready? Well, before we go any further, let's look at drill field. If my camera will decide to focus. There we go. That is super, super clear. Look, we're going to get to do some color blocking. Yeah, okay. I'm ready for some color blocking. Super clear. Look at those. Love it. Nice poured glue. It's beautiful. All right, here we go. You ready? Okay, here we go. Whoa, look at that. Oh, isn't that pretty? It's so pretty. That is one giant hummingbird. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look. It's got their website up here. Here we go. This is a website. www.got2dot. Okay? Made with dots of love. That's cute. Made with dots of love. I like that. Got2Dot up here. It's got a legend on both sides. Yay. I love it when they do that. We have a picture over here. See? Picture. And here is all of our symbols. Look at that. 30. Okay? We got numbers, letters, a few symbols. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? It's beautiful. Gorgeous. And sticky. Super sticky. Okay. Now, do I think this is a 50 by 50? I do. I think it's probably true to size. 50 by 50. Let's see. Let's measure this guy out. 50 by 50. Are you a 50 by 50? Okay, it's like 2 centimeters. Hang on. 1 centimeter. Not centimeter, millimeter. Sorry, 1 millimeter short of the 50. So true to size. Yes, we give them that. This is just wrinkle in the plastic. We know that. There's no problem with this. This is a nice poured glue. It can't really wrinkle. It's beautiful. Oh, it's gorgeous. Okay, I love this. This is a beautiful, beautiful image. Look at it. Ah, oh, man. All right, let's look at drills. They are pre-bagged. Yes, love pre-bagged drills. All right, okay, let's show you what we got. Now they have on the bag, I think they're going by a DMC code. Quite honestly, I think this is DMC code because look, we've got 820 and that looks to be that pretty blue 820. Oh, look at this color. Ooh, 718. Yeah, these have got to be DMC codes. We got 550. Reds. Oh my gosh. Amber colors. Okay, look at that red. There's 666. So see, these are definitely DMC codes. 321, another red. Yep. Beautiful. 333 is another purple. Yep. Okay. 155. 158, 208. Oh, love them. Love them, love them. Another red, 150. That's super pretty. All right. Ooh, this is, oh my goodness. That is a purpley. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful color right there. Love it. Lots of purples, pinks, greens. Look at those colors right there. Those are bright, aren't they? Every single one of those is bright. Whoa, that's 996. Love it. Okay, beautiful. Love these colors. Love them. All right. We got 939. Okay, now look, I'm going to hang on to those for a second. I think they're resin. You know, sometimes crystal kits will come with a resin black for outlining. I have a feeling this one's going to be 939, but I believe it's resin. Look at the colors. Look at how bright and vibrant these colors are. These crystals look good. They look super good. Look at these. They look beautiful. Look at them. They look just great. Man. Okay, let me check out this bag right here. 939. Yes. Resin drill. That's a resin with a silver back. Okay. 939. Let's see. Where's 939? It's H. So yes, all of this black outline through here is the 939. This is 939. The dark areas, that's 939. There's some 939s that outline up here. So yeah, and this outlining up here. So instead of being outlined with black, the dark is going to be the 939s. It's beautiful, you guys. It's gorgeous. Nice job. Like I said, I researched this one, put it through tin-eye. It appears to be a stock image. I'm good. All right, cool. Isn't that pretty? Super pretty. Look at those colors. Just beautiful. Nice job. I like it. Okay, I like it. All right, that's what we have today. Did I miss anything? Did I miss anything? I don't think so. Toolkit, drills, beautiful. That bird's gonna be 820, right? This is gonna be 820. Oh, pretty, 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 pretty. They did have the picture on the end of the box, just so you'll know. See? You can put this away and you've got your image on the end of the box. 50 by 50. Beautiful. I love it, you guys. Nice. All right. Yeah. Check them out. Like I said, you know, and you know, crystal or regular drills. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I got to clean this up, put it away. Hit the like button and subscribe. Come back and see me again. All right. I keep trying to find new things. All right. I will talk to everybody soon. See you in the next video, you guys. Bye.